Hello everyone, welcome back to Geomapping Labs. In this video, I will show you how to download Landsat 8 satellite imagery step by step. Let's start the video. First, open your browser and search for USGS Earth Explorer. Now click on the official website. After that, go to the Search Criteria tab, select Address/Place, enter your area of interest and click Show. Again, click on the address shown below, then define your area of interest by clicking on the map. Select the date, then click on the Datasets tab. Go to the Landsat section, select Landsat Collection 2 Level 1 and then choose Landsat 8-9. After that, click on the Results tab. Navigate to the Additional Criteria tab. Click Show Footprint to check whether the imagery covers your area. Then open Show Metadata to view information such as cloud cover. Scroll down and check the cloud cover as it is crucial for image quality. Excessive cloud cover can affect your results. Next, go to the Results tab, click on Product Options and then click on Download Product. Your download will start automatically. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.